In this question, we are asked to find the equation of that line which passes through the point of intersection of these two lines and also passes through the origin. So if you plot these two lines, we have already seen how to plot the lines. Let us also practice that. So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to half. So the first line looks like this. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5 and 5 by 2, that is 2.5. And when y is equal to 0, x is 5 by 3. So you have a line which looks like this. 5 by 3 is somewhere near this actually. So you have a line like this. So these two might intersect in the fourth quadrant somewhere here. Now I want the equation of a line which passes through this point of intersection and origin. That means I want the equation of this line. Now how do I get it? So let us use our direct formula and also let us do by a long method. So let us see whether both answers are same or not. So first is easy method, which is any line passing through the intersection of these two lines will be of the form L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. So I want a line passing through the intersection. So the line can be assumed as 2x plus y minus 1 plus lambda times 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. Now this is any line passing through the intersection. Now I want that particular line which passes through origin. So this is the condition from which lambda can be found out. Now this line has to pass through 0, 0. This implies 0 plus 0 minus 1 plus lambda times 0 plus 0 minus 5 is equal to 0. This implies lambda is equal to minus 1 by 5. Lambda is equal to minus 1 by 5. So you just need to put lambda is equal to minus 1 by 5 here. So the required equation is nothing but 2x plus y minus 1 minus 1/5 of 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. So whenever you get a fraction, you just need to do the cross multiplication. That's it. You don't need to worry about the fractions. You just need to do the cross multiplication. So you get, once you do the cross multiplication, 5 goes onto that side and becomes equal to 0. So 5 times 2x plus y minus 1 minus of 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. This implies 10x minus 3x is 7x, 5y minus 2y is 3y, minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. So you can very clearly see that the constant term has become 0 because that's the condition by which we have found lambda. So this will be the required equation. 7x plus 3y is equal to 0. So let us check whether this is actually right or wrong. For that, what I do is I'll actually find this point of intersection and find the equation using the 2-point form. So let me solve this equation. So 2x plus y is equal to 1, 3x plus 2y is equal to 5. I'll multiply this with 2, and if I subtract the equations, 2y and 2y gets cancelled. 4x minus 3x, x is equal to 2 minus 5 is minus 3. So x is equal to minus 3. And if you put x is equal to minus 3, you get minus 6 plus y is equal to 1, y is equal to 7. So this point is the point at which these two lines intersect actually is. If you draw the diagram to this scale, so you get the point as minus 3, 7. The point is minus 3, 7. So once you have this point, you have the point 0, 0. So you can find the equation. So y is equal to, y minus 0 is equal to, slope is 7 by minus 3, is minus 7 by 3 times x minus 0 is x. This implies 3y is equal to minus 7x, 7x plus 3y is equal to 0. So you can see that you got the same equation. It means this process works. And you can see that this is a more easy process. So any line passing through the intersection of two lines can be written as L1 plus lambda times L2 is equal to 0. L1 plus lambda times L2 is equal to 0. Thank you.